Hey friends, my name is Chris West. I'm really excited to be with you and to get your minds thinking about the chapter meeting. I have a question for you. And the question is, what do you think is one of the biggest changes 2 years of virtual presentations have brought to the speaking industry? Now, I know we all have our own answers to that question, but I will tell you that the biggest change that I've seen is how much more willing companies are to work with you in numerous ways beyond your keynote now. And what that means is that there are far more ways to generate revenue now in your business than there was in the past, even though it doesn't feel that way. And I think the best way I can tell you that is with a story. So recently, I was working with a speaker on a virtual video and website, and we defined in a way he had never defined before the detailed steps for how his keynote message could be implemented by an organization following the keynote. The day after we defined those steps, he had a call with the company and he was using a sticky note like this one, right? And this was just on the desk. He walked them virtually through that keynote using notes on a sticky note. And guess what happened? That organization booked 4 virtual sessions instead of that single keynote for $25,000. And then a few days later, another company he was talking to heard about the process as he described it. They booked multiple virtual sessions. It was a $100,000 contract. When he hung up the phone from that second client conversation, he called me with the biggest smile I think I've ever seen on someone. In 7 days, he saw $125,000 close, all which happened because he took the time to expand the way he was describing the lessons from his keynote. Now, I'm not saying we should all get excited about virtual staying around forever, but there has been a big change in our industry and it's for the better. And what changed is that the way we deliver our messages has expanded. And companies are facing challenges they've never navigated before. They want more than just a keynote. They want to know how to navigate this and how to apply the lessons you have to teach in their business. And what you need is the right videos and marketing to really show them those steps, those processes in a way that there's a story and steps included. When I'm with you at the chapter meeting, what we're going to do is we're going to build it like a workshop. And we're going to talk about building your brand in 3 different ways. First is we're going to talk about the process you can put in place to give organizations that roadmap along with your keynote. Second, we're going to refine your business model for 2022 in a way that generates more revenue in our new and expanded industry. And third, we're going to talk about how to tell a powerful story through your speaker video that brings that business model to life. So it's a chapter meeting you definitely don't want to miss, and make sure you're registered, and I will see you soon.